This turnkey modular home is sure to please its new owner. It is ready to move in. Let's take a look around. Spacious living room as soon as you come in the front door. Open kitchen with new appliances, new countertops, recently done plank flooring, fresh paint, LED lights throughout. Split floor plan with the owner suite on the right side. Down the hall we have the second bath and 2 additional bedrooms. My favorite part about this home is the well-lit sunroom in the rear. It's so tastefully done. The perfect space for morning coffee, entertaining friends, watching the ball game, and it leads right out to the private patio. One of the biggest selling points of this property is the 30-foot by 50-foot shop. Twin overhead doors, concrete floors, LED lighting throughout, storage shelving conveys, also the large compressor there in the corner. This space could be used to run a home-based business, house your collector cars, all your equipment, all your toys can fit in here. You could even entertain in this large space in a pinch. Danny's Drive is a conveniently located cul-de-sac street. Our listing here is right at the very end. Very walkable neighborhood, very quiet and easy to get around. Lies in the Blue Ribbon Del Mar School District, another huge selling point. See the freshly paved driveway. This home is going to get a lot of attention. We believe it's going to sell quickly. If you'd like to see it, catch me on my cell and we'll set that up for you.